There is a person, and hopefully there's a lot of people, who want what you need to be sharing in your book. And by you holding back, whether it's busy, you're not sure, whatever the reason is, or reasons, you are not serving them to the best of your ability. So I always say, take the light off of you and all your challenges. If you have a message, if you have a way of serving people, helping them with something, helping them prevent something, whatever it is, you are not serving them. And I just think that's a great disservice. And I really mean that. Like, I really do mean that. So try to take the light off of you and say, listen, how can I serve? These people need this information. I've got to do it. I've got to commit to it, and then the more tactical stuff, set deadlines, figure it all out, the blueprint, all that. But just think about the people you can be serving, because chances are if you have something to share, there's somebody out there who needs that.